Welcome to another session of analytical geometry revision video. Carefully watch and enjoy this video. So we have a new question. P, Q, R, S, T, all the points are there. PQRS is a quadrilateral. SQ is perpendicular to PR. T lies on PR. T is the midpoint of SQ. What's our question now? The diagram is clear. Determine the gradient of PR. Gradient, 2 marks. So we go to the formula sheet. We look for the formula for gradient. M equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have P and R. We will substitute the coordinates into the formula very carefully. We have MPR is equal to 5 minus 1 over 4 minus of minus 4, which is plus 4, which simplifies to half. Use the calculator. Hence, determine the equation of line SQ. Hence, meaning we will use the previous answer for this. SQ, we have Q available, but no other information. We don't have the gradient of SQ, but we can calculate the gradient of SQ using the gradient of PR. From the previous question, we have gradient of PR is equal to half. Since PR is perpendicular to SQ, we can calculate the gradient of SQ. We know the property of the perpendicular lines. So gradient of SQ is equal to minus 1 divided by half, which gives us minus 2. Now, we write the equation of SQ using the formula y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. We have the gradient of SQ. We have 1 point Q, 1 minus 4. So we carefully substitute into the formula. And then we simplify and get the final answer. Y equal to minus 2x minus 2. Show that the coordinates of T are minus 2, 2. We can see that T is a point of intersection of SQ and PR. So for any point of intersection, we always have to solve the two equations simultaneously. Now, equation of PR. Let us write down the equation of PR. We have P and R. Also, we know the gradient of PR, half. So y minus 1 equal to half times x plus 4, which simplifies to y equal to half x plus 3. Again, from the previous question, we have already calculated the equation of SQ, which is y equal to minus 2x minus 2. Now, for the point of intersection T, we have to solve these two equations. Therefore, minus 2x minus 2 is equal to half x plus 3. We multiply all the terms by the denominator or the LCD 2. We have minus 4x minus 4 equal to x plus 6. Then we simplify to the x value. x equal to minus 2. So the x coordinate of t is now minus 2. Y coordinate, we substitute x equal to minus 2 into the simplest equation, y equal to minus 2x minus 2. We substitute minus 2 and we get y equal to 2. Now the coordinates of t are minus 2, 2. Hence determine the coordinates of S. We know that S is end point of SQ. Q is available, T is available. Now let us assume that S is XY. And we already have the coordinates of T, that is minus 2, 2. And Q is 1 minus 4, T is the midpoint. So here we apply the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. Then the x coordinate of t is minus 2, must be equal to the x coordinate of S, that is x, plus x coordinate of Q, that is 1. So x plus 1 divided by 2. Simplify, we get x equal to minus 5. Similarly, the y coordinate of t is 2. 2 must be equal to y minus 4 divided by 2. We get y equal to 8. So the coordinates of S are minus 5, 8. Calculate the area of triangle PQS. Q 1 minus 4, S minus 5, 8 from the previous question. P is available minus 4, 1, and T from the previous question we have minus 2, 2. So these are the available coordinates. Now the question is to find the area of triangle PQS. 5 marks. So we use the distance formula to find the length of SQ. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. From the formula sheet, we substitute S and Q. We get 6 root 5. Again, the length of PT, we use P and T into the same formula. We substitute very carefully. Then we use the calculator and we get a root of 5. So SQ and PT available. SQ is the base of the triangle. PT is the height of the triangle. Now area of triangle PQS, we know that it is half times base times height. So half times 6 root 5 times root 5 gives us 15 square units, area of triangle PQS. That is the end of another video on analytical geometry. Good people, you watch all my videos on this topic. I have 6 videos on analytical geometry. When you get free time, you watch them, you try to revise them, revise the topic and get confidence. I'm sure that you will score a lot of marks from analytical geometry. Good luck.